Have you ever pondered the possibility of crafting a survival tool using only items scavenged from nature or perhaps discarded in the urban waste? The subject of today's exploration is exactly that, creating your own blowgun, or as it's known in some circles, a sarbacan. Imagine, if you will, a situation where you need a survival tool, but all you have are your wits, your hands, and the environment around you. With the knowledge we're about to share, you'll be equipped to transform common items into a functional blowgun. Start by seeking out a straight, hollow tube. Nature is abundant with options. Think tall grasses, bamboo, or even certain types of reeds. If you're in an urban setting, look for discarded plastic or metal pipes, straws, or even an old pen casing. The length and diameter of your tube will determine the power and accuracy of your blowgun, but a good starting point is a tube around 2 feet long and ½ an inch in diameter. Now let's discuss darts. In a natural environment, consider using thorns or hard-shelled seeds. You can also carve small darts from wood, but this requires a bit more skill and time. In an urban setting, look for nails, screws, or even broken pieces of plastic or metal that can be shaped into a point. Remember, the dart should fit snugly within your tube, but not so tight that it can't be propelled out. The next step is to create a mouthpiece. This is where you'll be blowing into the tube to propel your dart. If you're using a natural tube like bamboo or reed, try to choose a piece with a natural node near one end to act as a built-in mouthpiece. For plastic or metal tubes, consider using a piece of rubber or cork to create a mouthpiece. You can find these materials in discarded bottles or corkscrews. The final step is to test your blowgun. Place your dart in the end of the tube opposite the mouthpiece. Take a deep breath and blow. Remember, safety is paramount, so always aim your blowgun away from people or animals. To summarize, creating a blowgun requires a straight hollow tube, some makeshift darts, and a mouthpiece. With these components and a bit of ingenuity, you can transform everyday items into a makeshift survival tool. Whether you're in the heart of nature or the middle of a bustling city, this knowledge could prove invaluable. So, the next time you find yourself in a situation where you need a survival tool, remember this: the world around you is filled with potential. With a keen eye, a bit of creativity, and the knowledge you've gained today, you're well equipped to create your own blowgun. Practice this skill, hone it, and who knows, you might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve.